Hello there, welcome to my project showcase. This is a simple application where you can be able to search your favorite movies or maybe search your favorite TV shows depending on what you like. So I've created it using React. So you can see there are different sections. There are these sections at the moment. The first section is for trending movies. This is dependent on searches made by other users. Then we have the section for the TV shows. This it's real time. I'm using the APIs from TMDB database where I'm fetching the top 20 and then rendering them to this site. So as you can see, for each section, you can be able to navigate horizontally. So you can also navigate horizontally over here. Yep. So yeah, it's that cool. Now the another part is for the search feature where I can be able to search. Let's assume Venom, and then you can see it show me the TV shows that are named Venom, and then you can see the movies that are named Venom. So also as I've told you, this the trending movies is dependent on the searches made by other users. So I'll just try to skew the searches at the moment. So I'll just copy that, then delete it, and then search it again. Uh, Delete it and then search again. Delete it and then search again. So I just hope it's cute, and then I'll just refresh the database so that you can see what I was talking about. Yes, and it works. So you can see now Venom is at position 1, followed by Batman, which was the first previous. Thank you very much for watching.